Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about drop-down list. Drop-down list works with three types of data. First one is source data, second is delimited data, and the third one is formulated data. In this video, I am going to discuss source data and delimited data. So let's discuss about source data. So here we have the names of the employees. So assume that against their names we need to update their gender. First we need to select the cells range where we want to list. So these are the cells range where the list to be appeared. So after this, click on the data tab, go to data validation and select the list. After selecting the list, you will get a source box. In this source box you will have to input the data. So here is the data. We have male and female to be appeared in the list, so we just need to select these two cells, click OK. So when you click on the cells where the list is there, down arrow will appear. Click on the down arrow, so you will get the list, male or female. So we need to select whether it is male or female. So respectively you'll have to do the same thing for the rest of your employees. So this is how the source data will work in drop-down list. So let's discuss about the second way of making the drop-down list. In this way we need to follow the same steps which we had followed earlier. So first thing, we need to select the cells range where we want the drop-down list. So go to data tab, click on data validation, select the list. So here is the difference. In the earlier thing, which is source data, so we had selected the data range like this. So but in this delimited data, we need to type the text or numbers separated by commas. So like this. So we need male and female in our list, so we just need to type male comma female and click on OK. So here is our list. So it's very simple. So these are the two ways of making the drop down list. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment below. So if you need any new videos with new Excel function, please comment below. Please let us know, so we will help you on that. Thank you and have a great day.